Whoa. 12 days of Christmas cookies, y'all. I think this recipe is going to be a huge hit with y'all because guess what? You don't have to bake them, which, you know, that's a bonus. And this recipe was sent in to me from Tammy DeBruler from Harper's Ferry, West Virginia. Beautiful part of our United States, y'all. And she said, "Hi, Paula. Hope you will try these. They are delicious. And they're so easy to make." Yay, cornflake balls. So what you say, let's get started. The quicker we get them made, the quicker they cool, and the quicker we can eat them. Like I said, there is no baking. There is a little melting of stuff though. And we're gonna start by melting our white sugar along with a cup of white Karo syrup, which I used to love as a child on my pancakes and waffles. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay, so we're gonna just heat this up on top of the stove until all the sugar is dissolved. All right, Tammy tells us to put this over like medium heat and bring it to a boil and make sure your sugar is dissolved. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a 12-ounce jar of peanut butter to this, but we're gonna take it off the heat to let that melt. So here we go. I think I want a harder utensil. I love this thing right here. Didn't somebody send me this?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Butter.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it.
The buttery.
Oh yes, the butter girl. Well, I love it. See, that reached all the way down in there to the bottom. Got it good. So we have a cookie that's easy, healthy, protein. I mean, what more can we ask for in a cookie? You don't have to bake it. That is the bonus. So we're just gonna stir this per Tammy's instructions. Good to the last drop. I wish one of the grandchildren were here. They could have fun licking that utensil. All right, so I'm just gonna stir this. Let that peanut butter melt all in our sugar and our white Karo syrup. And while our peanut butter, Teresa and I both are having trouble using our words today.
It's not been a good thing.
I don't know, is it our teeth or
I don't know.
our brain?
I'm a little worried. Yet again.
Okay. That's melting pretty good. So while that finishes its melting process, I'm gonna put in 4 cups of cornflake cereal, and this is not sweetened. And I'm gonna add 1 cup. This is a little shy, so I'm gonna ask y'all's patience just for a minute because I'm gonna look and see if I have some more coconut. Okay, I found some, y'all. Quite often when I use coconut, I don't ever use the full bag, so I just tie it up real good, stick it in my freezer, and it's ready and waiting on me when I need it. So, I'm gonna mix these together. I'll check on our stuff. our good stuff. And it is all melted. So Tammy tells us to just pour this over our cereal and our coconut mixture. It's just making me smile. I can't help it. What a bonus. I mean, this is one of those cookies that would be great to do with the children or grandchildren. You know, I mean, you don't have to worry about them getting burned. And of course, they love to get their hands all in this stuff. All right, so I don't know how hot that is, so I'm gonna do it like this first. Tammy girl, thank you. Thank you, Tammy. From West Virginia. You want to dig deep and bring it up and around and down. Oh, my grannies. Yum. Y'all hear me crunching? Can you hear the crunch?
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
I love it. She doesn't say anything about mixing till cool or anything like that. She just says mix thoroughly. And then form them into walnut-sized balls. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need to do this to my hands. Because I could wind up eating more than I'm supposed to. Is that the size of your walnuts, Tammy? Sometimes might be pretty big. No, Eddie, you say no?
No, that's.
Is it bigger than a walnut?
I think so. That's bigger than a golf ball. That's bigger than.
I would say golf ball.
Okay. Tammy, I love this cookie, mainly because you didn't have to bake it. All you had to do is melt your sugar and your white Karo syrup and your peanut butter, and that was it. Look, I put these on a platter so it looks like Santa Claus's beard. Isn't that cute? And I guess we could. Let's see if I can find some little ones. And do for his eyes. No, when you take away his eyes, it looks different, doesn't it? Well, I tell you what, Tammy, while I was dipping these up, I got a little bit on my hand. So I had to get it off. Cheers. So good. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.